The 2023 Gabor Fall Collection invites you to embrace your carefree spirit with 3 effortlessly stylish new wigs. Designed with natural-looking loose layers and Gabor's personal fit cap, these beautiful styles are ready to make you feel your confident best, whatever your day has in store. Get a fresh, chic, and undone look with the style All Too Well. This textured cut features soft layers throughout, a monofilament part, and razor-cut back and sides. The extended lace front allows you to wear it with a soft fringe coming onto the face or swept up and away. The all-over shattered texture and PC bangs call attention to the eyes and make a lasting impression. Look like you've just left the salon with our new femme and flirty wig. This lightweight, yet voluminous style is just like a fresh blowout. With its round brushed, softly waved layers, the lace front allows the style to be worn off the face, while longer tapered lengths at the nape create an elegant finish. Gabor's new Love Wave is totally on trend with its softly tumbled barrel curl waves that straighten at the ends. The extended lace front, fully hand-tied top, and lightweight texture give this modern style a remarkably realistic look. Use a wide-tooth comb or just your fingers to part it in any direction you desire to make it your own. The wigs in the Gabor Fall 2023 collection are all about embracing your carefree spirit. So whether you discover a new favorite or choose all 3, you're sure to enjoy effortless style, exceptional quality, and great value when you choose Gabor.